Hi, it's Kamon Reynolds. The goldenrod is blooming. So many things are going on, but Laurel and I want to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you for becoming a part of our beekeeping family. It has been such a wild ride the last 2 years to go from where we started to now, and I want to just say thank you so much. I know Laurel feels the same way. I have learned so much. I've been impacted in so many positive ways because I've been exposed to people that I never would have made as friends before because I just wouldn't have met them. I've made so many new friends I'm so thankful for. Anyone who knows me knows that I like talking about bees, and so I have a lot more outlets to talk about bees now, just what I needed, right? And also, I've met so many colleagues and been exposed to so many different ways of beekeeping and types of honey. My beekeeping education has just benefited so much from this, so I'm very thankful just to be a part of all this myself, and thank you for being a part of our hive, so to speak. And we're going to be giving away this Lorob bee vaporizer. It's really nice. I'm going to leave a link right up here where you can see a video that we did on it, where you can get more details if you would like to. But it is made really well. A lot of the pieces are made here in the United States, and it is what is not is assembled in the United States with American quality control. So I really like that. I've talked to Rob several times. His company's young, but he is really hard-nosed about quality and service, which is something that we sorely lack in the beekeeping industry, in my opinion. And so that's why we wanted to give one of these away, because I know that you're going to be happy with it, whoever receives it. So one person is going to get it. Leave a comment below. Let us know where you're from. You don't have to, give us all the fancy details, but if you're in Canada or the United States, we'll be shipping this to somebody in that region. Unfortunately, if you're outside of that, we can't do that, but we do really appreciate you, and if you don't mind, still leave a comment down below, because we just would really like to know where everybody's from. Now, this is not only going to include this nice vaporizer that's got a lot of power. It's got 380 watts, which is stronger than the ProVap 110. I've got several of them, multiple types, and this is one that does a really good job and has got some really heavy-duty construction. I really like that plate down in here. Best part about this plate and the design of it is you can grab that plate all day long and it won't burn you, even if you've treated several hives. Still best to wear gloves though. Now, it comes with a mask. It also comes with the cartridges for the mask that are really, if anything, overkill in protecting you from oxalic acid vapor. It's got the carbon filters in them, so that's really good. It also comes with a really heavy-duty stainless steel measuring teaspoon for your oxalic acid crystals, and man, this thing's heavy. I'll give you a nice goose egg if you thump somebody on the head with it. You never know when you might need to do that. And I don't know if I already said, but it came with 5 of these caps, which is great because it's really nice having more than just 1 or 2. And also it comes with oxalic acid crystals. So basically, you've got everything that you need to go all right in there, but leave that comment. And it's the 26th, right, Laurel? Yeah, the 26th of September, we will be doing an announcement video. We have a random generator for our comments on YouTube, and we will randomly select somebody, and we will be shipping this and contacting them to their address. So thank you for being a part so much. We're looking forward to seeing you all in the future conferences and different things. I know not everybody's able to be there, but we appreciate you being a part of YouTube. These will actually be on a nice discount at the conference, and he will be there in person to ask and answer any of the questions that you ask. So I'm going to let you all go. Thanks for being a part again, and we'll see you in the future.